Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good. Subscribe. How many fish you gonna catch today?
Huh?
How many fish you gonna catch today?
I think one because it was very short. But I think I'm gonna get lucky today and get like 7 or 2 or 3.
How much do you want to catch?
Like 7.
7?
Yes.
Alright. You hear that, guys? So she want to catch 7 fish. So let's see where it goes. So I'm showing you exactly, guys. Today I don't come to catch any fish. As you see, the sky really dark because the tropical storm out, right? And we're there catch some fish. Yeah, so I'm showing you exactly what I go on, you know. I carry my line and everything, but I don't plan to catch any fish, but I don't know. We come and feel the vibes and just throw to line and catch same way. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys, and like the video, share it out and mountain. Comment below and tell me how to do today. Yeah, so be right. What's wrong?
I'm gonna go here, go here.
Go on, let's take time, go on. Let's take time, go on.
Yeah.
Guys, you know, used to the but grass, you know. But you forget you used to these life, you know. Yeah, go on, man. See, go on, just continue walk. Yeah, guys, I don't see it's quite dark. Better turn the road, but we can never lucky enough to take out the phone and start video so you can hear the thunder or roll. See that, guys? Vehicle do that boat. So our next one here. So we have to reason why she up because you know, she don't want to step in the vehicle do that boat. Yeah.
Look, he's running a wheel. How can the worm still be alive? No, it's cut. How is it alive? Was it alive when it's just mud? What? There's one trying to ski up.
You're driving too fast, man. I'm going to throw it back here. Give me some of that. Let it go.
Can you and show me how to hold it? Am I doing it good?
Look. Let it go. Or like this. Look. Like this.
Hold it like this?
Yeah. No, you're not. Don't wrap it up your finger. Yeah, hold it like this.
And
yeah, so wait until you feel that if you bite it, you'll feel like touch like this.
Yeah? Nod.
Yes, you're gonna feel a little bite.
You got a fish. How are we gonna keep it alive?
Come again, hold the line.
I can't put it in! Come on! Where's it?
The first one, eh?
Yeah.
You can take him off? Hold it.
Do you want to take it off for me? Because I can't really take it off. He's holding on tight to the fish. Be it. And it's actually the hook he's eating, not the worm. Ah! Why did you throw it toward me? That is picking it up. I'm gonna show you.
Come again.
There's 2 fish
Make
in
it pull the
here.
water, girl. I'm going to shoot again.
You can't really see it.
Come again.
Mm-hmm.
You remember what to do now?
I remember what
Alright.
Magic away from you. Yes.
You feel it? Join me when you're ready. Alright. Alright.
Yeah.
Second one.
I got another one. And it's
Okay.
orange.
Wait, like, take it off here again. Remember, I can't look at my.
Hey, another fish. Fishy. I got 2 fish. And then you got 1. Just kidding, 2. Like me. Fish. Now I'm gonna give it back.
Okay. I'm gonna shoot
Honey.
again. I remember what to do again.
I remember.
Oh.
And it's so easy.
Alright. Keep a little more tension on the line and wait again. Alright.
Got the nut.
Wait again.
Yes. But he's not going away from me
Hold on. Wait.
far enough.
So just bite and let it go. Bite and let it go.
Yes.
Wait until you feel him run away with it. You join me again.
When he's really pulling it out.
Yeah.
He's not really putting it out right now. He's
When you feel him bite it, try it. Keep a tension on line, can you see?
tension on the line.
Yeah. You feel him again? Or
No.
stop?
Stop.
Alright, see, you soon start again. You feel him again, same way?
No.
Alright. Keep a tension on the line again. Alright. When you feel him again, you feel him again?
Yes.
When you bite again, try me in fast, here.
I think he catch my fish or something.
You have to catch him in fast, because I don't want to eat off the worm. You feel him again?
No. Oh, no. He's running again.
Try it when you're ready. Remember, always keep the line stiff.
Okay.
So when you pull it, you can catch him, okay?
Okay. I got 3 and Daddy got 3.
Hold it, hold
it's
it,
a
stand
nice cry. No.
Come around this. Come right this, stand up. Right, go right,
It's a nice
go
color.
right, go right down, stand up.
Okay. It's a nice
Hold
color.
like this. No, hold the fish line you're going to hold. Look at me.
Hi. I feel like a riddle master. When you just said that. Where's Lando?
You feeling a bite again?
Yeah.
You want to join me, man? You feel a bite, pull him in.
Okay. 1 more bite and then I'm pulling him in. I feel a hard bite. I know
Alright, I'm
it's
going.
hard.
Take in the line and throw it out back.
Yeah. I think it's off and I didn't even know.
Yes, you see? You can eat it off from me again.
1. Daddy, you got 2 in 1. Daddy, you got 2 in 1. Lucky.
You see, you can catch again, you can beat it here. Remember, you said they want to catch 7? Alright, I'm going to pull in the line and throw it back in a different place.
When I feel the hard nudge, I'm pulling.
Yeah.
Hard like that. I feel.
You catch it doing too fast. Alright, let me do it again. Alright.
Hold it.
Remember, keep attention on the line.
Keep attention. The bush is in the wheel.
Just like that.
1, 2, 3.
You remember, always keep attention on the line.
Always.
If you keep it too loose, you can't see when I'm on nudge it.
There's a lot of nudge, but
Try
not.
it in.
He's stuck. Yeah.
Alright, how much?
I-
5 now.
5, 6, 7. I only need 2 more.
Okay, hold me to take it off.
Don't go near.
So you need 2 more.
Don't touch it.
I'm not going to put it on here. Mind to in the water. Come over there in the water, Khaleesi.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here. And
I'm afraid of him.
okay. I have 5. All I need is 2 more. If I get 2-in-1.
I'm gonna catch 2 in 1 because there's one hook on the line.
So, Daddy put
Okay.
2 hooks.
Alright, yeah,
Not
make it stay stick like
two.
same like this, yeah. I'll leave it more
About
tension.
1 nudge and 2 nudge. 2 nudge, but it's gentle.
When you feel him biting it like this, it's dirty in.
Not like that.
When you bite it, you want to jog and I'll pull.
We don't call it.
Try it, Khaleesi. They make him gone. I'm going to try it again.
You warned me. Where is it?
Okay, yes, tension like the same way. Remember, when you feel him up, pull like this, you jog it in fast, alright?
Yeah.
One hard pull.
Daddy, are you on that?
Think of 1 more. Remember, you want 7 more. You want 2 more.
Forget.
So go milk and fry them.
I don't want fried. I want to eat it. I saw one over there.
Alright guys, so I'll try it out for the first time. Alright, throw it when you're ready. Look. Keep it straight.
Straight?
Alright, throw it out. And you're ready. Swing it and then throw it out.
Oh
No.
no. No.
Amy,
Getting
let
stuck.
it go. Alright, come again. Let me show you again.
So you hold on.
Alright, look. See more like this.
A little like this.
Hold it on one hand
Hold on 100.
and the other in the other hand.
The dog is looking at it.
Move and playing time. Look, yeah.
Look, no, I dropped it. And look where you want to
Let's go
swing
this
it.
hand. Hold it like this. Look. Then it's easier.
So look where you want to go.
Swing it
Mm.
and then throw it out. Hey, see, let's go, Khaleesi.
Ah,
You kind of hold it back, Khaleesi. You just keep on holding it back. Come again.
so I don't have
When you throw it out, then let go of this hand as well. Alright? You can hold it back.
not showing.
You know, let's let it go. With 2 and
Why do I keep on get scratched right
come.
on my leg?
Come because you see the fish in the water. Come. If you catch them, we need to catch 2 more to make 7.
I got
Alright.
finally I got one of the blackfish.
Alright, you guys should get 1 more. 6.
So I need 1 more. And it's wrapped around my legs.
So how do you feel now?
Happy. Like I'm gonna win. And that fish that caught some is gonna jump out. I got a fish.
Catch 1 more, guys. I'm turning back.
I got 7! Yes!
You feel good? Man drop, man on top of the fish line and drop.
I'm so happy right now. Oh, it kind of hurt a little.
Touch him. Man fall in the water. Touch him. I can't catch the fish.
Yeah,
I'm afraid
I
of him.
touch it.
Touch him.
Touched it. It's slimy. Very slimy. I don't like slime. Hello! I got 7 fish.
We're in a Jew now.
When are we gonna cut all the grass and
How you job look like?
Wheel team now.
So I see bush there, so I think I want big fish I get some.
Yeah, man, guys, so-
I must bush
So what going on? We're in a Jew now. But she catch her 7 fish she want to catch, you know, so she happy now.
next time I go fishing, I'm gonna want to eat it. Unroll.
If you want to put a mask on the badness here, you get less money.
Yeah, play with them, no? I play with them. That is a catch. Alright guys, so I think right here in the video, so we can fry some fish and add to this, you know. But a second time I catch fish and all that, you know, gone too bad. But I don't know if I keep on mentor because you know used to it, you know. And I couldn't get to operate the camera and video and something video and mentor at the same time. Because sometimes you know something good and I feel try help her and thing. So if somebody like there, them could have actually video me helping her. Yeah, but was still good see me, you know. Right now she's swing, my showing her. See how your peeps. Catch 7 fish. 5 are the tilapia and 2 are the black one them, the jaguar them. Yeah, she good now and
Wow.
I catch the 7th one. Throw down fish line, jump and back, come up here now and I swing because she feel good. Stop swing, stop swing. How was the catch? How you feel catching the fish?
Good. And I feel dizzy now.
You feel good?
Yes.
Alright, so how much do you want? Mine. How much do you come back again? How much do you want to catch?
Eat.
Alright. So guys,
Even
next
going
time
up.
she come back she want to catch 8, she say.
And after
Yeah.
the 8, 9.
Alright, so this guy really dark. Yeah, during a come. Alright peeps. Alright, this man close the video. Man just close it right this and done. Yeah. So I say just like out the video, share it out and leave in a comment and tell me how she do. Nothing like she will learn, you know. She will learn. She just want more practice. So maybe need to bring her more so she can get more practice because she will enjoy catching fish. Who would not enjoy catching fish? It's a very good feeling when you're on for your own food. So I'm say just like, comment, share and subscribe. Look more.